Hello students, in this video we will read about the asexual methods of reproduction which takes place commonly in plants. Asexual reproduction also takes place in animals, but except budding, no other method is possible in animals. So in plants we have to read only in plant reproduction. The asexual methods of plants are, first is fragmentation. Fragments means pieces. The unicellular plants divides into many pieces or breaks into many pieces, and each piece will grow into a new young one, means new plant. This method is very simple and it takes place only in unicellular plants. So of course unicellular plants example is you all know algae. Spirogyra is the example of algae, and this method takes place in spirogyra. Second one is budding. Budding is also a very unique type of asexual reproduction. A bulb-like projection means a small outgrowth grows on the outer surface of the body of the plant, and this plant also is unicellular. The example is yeast. Yeast is the example of unicellular fungi. So what happens on the body wall of the yeast? One bulb-like projections grows and the nucleus of the parent body divides into two. One goes to the bulb, and in this way when bulb matures, means its size grows, when it matures it separates itself from its parent body, and in this way the new plant grows. The budding also may takes place in chains, mean one after another. In this way many buds can grow from one another. So this is a unique type of method of asexual reproduction, and it takes place in plants and animals both. But you have to read about plants, so always remember yeast is the example of budding, means that reproduces by budding. Third one is spore. Spores are very small, means tiny spherical unicellular structures which grows in plants. In the structure in which spores grow are called as either sporangium or spore sac. So in spore sac, spores are produced. When they are matured, the spore sac bursts and the spores are released into air. With air they travel and falls on the surface, and if they get the conditions favorable for the germination, then they grow and a new plant may grow. So this method takes place in many groups of plants. It may take place in fungi, it may take place in bryophytes, means mosses, it may take place in ferns, means pteridophytes. So in many classes of plants, spores reproduction through spores takes place. I hope you all have understood. I have not drawn the diagram because diagrams are given in your book and these are very simple. You all can learn from drawing. See your diagram and draw it. Okay? Bye.